entire community is suffering because of the policies of the Congress government, where there's electricity cuts on one side, diesel and petrol rates are so high due to the central government. That's a separate burden on the people. So all put together, entire Punjab, people are in a state of crisis and they're out on the streets protesting against both center as well as state government. At a time like this, Punjab needs a government which is of the Punjabis, made by the Punjabis and made for the benefit of Punjab. Not a government which has got a high command which is sitting in Delhi or in Nagpur, or an Aam Aadmi Party kind of a high command whose priority is Delhi and not Punjab. So at a time like this, seeing what these other opponent parties that we have, the existing Congress party as well as the Aam Aadmi Party, where Congress swears lies to get votes and forgets about the people, and Aam Aadmi Party is just trying to take advantage of those lies and their false promises which lie thoroughly exposed in Delhi. But the poor Punjab people who are cut off from Delhi do not understand this. At a time like this, it is imperative to save Punjab from both these parties and bring up a party which thinks for the benefit of the people of Punjab, which is why this announcement has been made that Punjab, having one of the highest Dalit populations in India, we had tied up with BSP, which was our alliance partner, and we had announced a Dalit Deputy Chief Minister, and to ensure the peace and prosperity of Punjab, because we are now seeing that due to BJP's policies, how certain segments are being, certain leaders of their parties are being targeted. We do not want our Hindu brothers to feel threatened or insecure in any way, because it's very important. They are a very integral part of Punjab and we want them to feel a part of Punjab, which is why today Shiromani Akali Dal President has announced that the second Deputy Chief Minister will also be there if people make the Akali Dal government, which I am sure that they will be a Hindu community.
As we know, the Parliament session is about to start in few days. What will be the strategy of the Akali Dal in the Parliament?
The priority of Shiromani Akali Dal has been one. In the last, I would say, almost 10 months since I resigned and since Akali Dal broke off their alliance with BJP. And in the last 7 months, the way our farmers have been sitting in the borders of Delhi protesting, asking for a simple thing, that you're shoving these farm laws down our throat. We did not ask for them, we do not want them. Please take these laws back and make a law which we welcome, make MSP a statutory right and repeal these black laws. This is the fight that they have been fighting for. To strengthen this fight, Shiromani Akali Dal broke their alliance and gave up our position in the Union Cabinet as well. In this session, our President Sukhbir Singh Badalji has announced and appealed to all parties that he is moving an adjournment motion, that all parties come together before any other discussion takes place in the House. We must address this lingering farmer issue of repealing these black laws, because not only in a border state like Punjab is it causing distress and leaving the field open for our neighbors or for unsavory elements to come and take advantage of this, but the farmers all over the country are feeling that a government which has been elected by them is mistreating farmers and is so anti-farmers, and it is spreading everywhere, which is why we need all pro-farmer parties to come and join with Shiromani Akali Dal's adjournment motion and ensure that these black laws are repealed. That's going to be our first and foremost priority, and we're going to push it strongly. We are in talks with many parties, and I'm confident that all pro-farmer parties will support us. In fact, I even appealed to Congress and Aam Aadmi that we may be political opponents in Punjab, but I think for the peace of the country and for the peace of Punjab, we all must come together to fight on behalf of our farmers and ensure that this monsoon session, these laws are repealed and we make the central government, union government, bend down and agree to the demands of the people of the country.
One more question, ma'am, regarding that